ERD repairs human-machine interfaces like this one made by Idec-Izumi, as well as all other industrial electronics. We offer a same-day quote on all of our repairs. The HG2S pendant is an HG2S-SB32BH-S3-MK1288 unit that can be programmed to operate and program various industrial machines, from PLCs to robot arms. Here you can see the Idec-Izumi being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or visit us on the web at www.industrialrepairstore.com.